it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 14 of daily savings in April. I'm bringing $10 a day like I do every day. I'm also bringing a Coco who would not let me record. Sorry, I just bumped you. This is still new to me. So I'm going to put our $10 there and pretend like I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take out our $10 in prop coins. So I hope you are doing well. Last night's video was the first night that I filmed with this camera, and that's not true. Filmed one of my budgeting videos with this camera. I have used this one for a bunch of other things. No, a few other things. Oh no, Coco's about to get comfortable. She's gonna lay her head down. Okay, well. Sneezing, Coco's here. All right, so we're gonna put $10 in my bank. And we are going to do this as best we can. I cannot reach the thing now because of Coco. Alright, we're just going to make this work. Alright, so where are we starting? We are starting on number 5. She's been very, since her surgery, she's been more of a mama's girl. Usually she's a daddy's girl, which I love every second of it, but I don't get as much done as I'd like. So we are just going to do our best. Are we recording? It says record. All right, I guess we're doing it. So I have my bubblegum pink die, and it's 2. She might not like this, so she might end up moving. And 3, we're going to take that spin. We're going to go to 1. 2. I can't believe she's just sitting here for this. I can't believe my dice is staying in my little dice tray. 1 for 3, boo. 2 for 4. What do you think, Coco? Mwah. 1 for 5. Oh no. This is just a train wreck. Okay. We're doing it. We're doing it, Coco. I'm a working mom right now. Coco's my little one. All right, so we got 3. We're going to go back to 1. That face. We got 2. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, poor 3 got 1 again. 1, 2, and 3. So we finished on 4. We are going to start on number 5 again. I think that's where we started today. Oh my gosh, your little face. I don't know what you can see and what you can't because... Oh, I don't even have my candle out. Okay. Cheers to this video. All right, let's see. Number 1. Ooh, number 1 got $2.25, and number 1 is this one from I'll Always Save. So we can do $2.25. I was using my orange that I can barely reach. So let's do, that's our 25. We'll get that guy out of here. And then we'll do $1. Alright, I went ahead and did the other $1 since Coco is content. And I could sort of manage it. Alright, so this one will go back into the binder and we will work on that tomorrow. That will save $5 when we are done. Alright, number 2. Looks like number 2 got $1.50. Oh my gosh. $1.50. And number 2 is Ah, from Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. Happy birthday. So I can finish off the top row with the 50 cents. So that is this one and this one. And then I have $1, so I can do 4 more. I don't even think I'm in camera. Sorry about that. Alright, so that one has quite a ways to go. Alright, number 3 got 50 cents. Could have been worse. Oh my gosh, that's what we needed. It was perfect. It's not worse. It's amazing. The child. This is you, Coco. You're Grogu. You're my Grogu. So we saved $6 with this one. This is from Mindy over at SW Fanatic Saves. Yeah, she's awesome. I just ordered a couple Star Wars things. And I think a couple non-Star Wars things. I did get a game that was not Star Wars related that looks really cute. Alright, so that one's done. Let's do that so you can kind of see what's happening. Actually, I'm going to put it back there because that's pretty big. Alright, so we need a new one for number 3. So let's go back to our extras. And I cannot see a thing, so I'm just going to... Oh, Danny. So this one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets. And we do not have anything to put in there, so I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, number 4. Okay, so we have $1, $2.25. You can see that, so that's good. I can't believe she's just chilling. Alright, so this one is from It's Not Too Late Terry, Grammy's Journey, EMT Dispatcher on a Budget, Tobean Budgets, and Lil's World 733. And this one is done. We just needed 25 cents, so we can put that back there. Get one of my little click art pens that I absolutely adore. Cross that off. I will have it linked somewhere down there. And we finished that for $4, so let's get a new one. Coco, you are just being so adorable. What's this one? Oh my god, this is an oldie but a goodie. Back when Bookish Mama Budgets, Elaine Realized, and Becca Budget 77 and Budget with Tiffany 26 were trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Can you imagine? They all have over 1,000. So we can do $2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for $1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for $2. And this one is good. Coco, I can't believe you're just chilling. You're being so cuddly. Oh my gosh, I wish that went there. That does not go there yet. That goes here. Alright, number 5. Number 5 got $1. So we have 50, 25, and 25. So this one is from Cece over at Creationsbymuneca. So I'm going to cross off one of the dollar bills and leave the quarters for next time. I'm going to do it in the orange. So we'll just go. This one will save us $4. It says, hello, April. Look, I'm actually playing something that's new and on target. Right, number 6. I was going to say, I haven't seen our little dollars. Okay, so we have, oh my goodness, $1, $2, and 50 cents. Alright, so $2.50 going into number 6, and number 6 is this adorable one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets, and we only needed $1, so we can color these in. My apologies if I am off camera. I'll try to scooch a little bit in front of Coco, who feels like she is sound asleep on the desk. She just puts her head down on the desk. Doesn't matter if it's the kitchen table, my desk here. Like, if she's in her lap, she'll just put her head down on the desk. And she does have her little left paw up. Might have to scooch back to see how cute she is. Okay. Well, here we are. Okay, so that one's done. So that was $1 that we needed. So let's just take that one away. So that one saved us 2. So let's get another extra. We'll do this one from Sassy Ginger Budgets. Look at how cute the little, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Look at how cute the little gnome is. I'll get the camera angle eventually. So we can do $1.25. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25 and 50. And this goes into number 6. I am definitely noticing my little tiny T-Rex arms now that I have to reach across Coco. Alright, so we are going to go to the bank. Actually, let's shuffle these a little bit. Really, we're just mixing them up a bit. We'll put these in our bank. It's really our prop coin bank. And then let's go here, take out our money, and let's see what we need here. So we finished one for $6, and then this one is $4, so that's 10, and 2 for 12, so $12. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put our money back in the bank. Alright, scoot back here. We're going to put our completed challenge money in there, and then we're going to put our 4 challenges in here. That is awesome. Day 14, we finished a few, and that felt really good. I got a Coco on my lap. FYI, I'm going right into film day 15, so it might look very similar to this. I don't know yet. I might try to move her. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.